Assalamu alaikum student. I'm your geography teacher Miss Wajiha. Today our topic is drought in Pakistan. Drought is a hazard of nature and one that can present a very big threat to those who live off the land. Lack of rainfall result in severe water shortage which can destroy crops in the world poor countries. Drought brings famine, diseases and death on a massive scale. Types of drought. There are four types of drought. Number one is permanent drought. Uh, Exist when crops cultivation is not possible without irrigation. Like example है थल चोलिस्तान चागी Western Balochistan. The next type of drought is seasonal drought. It occurs in areas with well-defined rainy and dry season. Example areas Potua Plateau, Southern Punjab. Number third is invisible drought. It is the result of a water deficiency that reduces crop yield but is not severe enough to destroy them. Number fourth is unpredictable drought. It is the result of the abnormally low rainfall and occur in areas which have humid climate. Okay, causes of drought in Pakistan. Natural factors are unreliability of monsoon winds may lead to the seasonal drought in Punjab and Sindh. The dry and hot winds can reduce the moisture content of sandy soil by lowering the level of the humidity in the air. Global climate is constantly changing, leading to change in Pakistan climate. Human factors are deforestation on the foothills of the mountains, increased soil erosion, and reduced rainfall, mismanagement of water resources through seepage of unlined canals, the disputed and unfair distribution of water between the provinces, overgrazing of land leading to soil erosion, reducing soil fertility, global warming leading to the climate change. Okay, now effects of drought on the physical environment. Number one is desertification, the process of turning the land into desert. Means desertification. In desertification, the land turn into desert. Exposed soil leading to soil erosion, dust storm, extension of desert areas, rise in temperature, loss of vegetation, and extinction of species. Drying up the river, lakes and stream. Obviously when the drought occur, it is because of the drying up of river, lakes and streams, harms to fisheries and other aquatic life, growth of algae in shallow water bodies, unsafe drinking water. Drop in water table. Less water available to plant and human from groundwater sources. Effect of drought on the human environment. Effect of drought on the human environment. It is the population widespread the famine leading to the starvation, migration of from drought affected area, people migrated from drought areas to other areas, breakup of the rural social setup, loss of lives because of the drought. It is effect on the human lives. Nomadic lifestyle, obviously when the people migrated from one place to another place, so it is known as nomadic lifestyle. It also affect on the economy, crops failure, death of livestock, shortage of raw material for industries, reduce exports, increase imports, devastation of the economy. Now we have a map of the areas where the droughts are common, and it is the severe drought in the areas of Balochistan and also in the eastern side of Sindh, and moderate drought in Balochistan. Okay, drought management. Drought management can be done in three ways. A water storage scheme. Water can be stored in water storage scheme such as the reservoirs of dams and traditional water tanks for irrigating crops and forest areas. This help to limit the losses caused by seasonal drought in the affected area. The areas that only receive monsoon rainfall in heavy showers during July and August can utilize that extra water throughout the year by a perennial canal system. More such projects are required to meet the water demands of the growing population. The use of new technology, number 2. The use of seawater through a desalination process, the removal of salt, the conservation of water, wastewater into clean water through filtration and chemical treatment, the use of the varieties of seeds for crops cultivation which are drought resistant and consume less water, the lining of canals to avoid the waste and uneconomical use of existing water resources. In Pakistan, large amount of canal water are wasted due to sewage from unlined canal causing waterlogging and salinity. Planning and management of water resources. Furthermore, the government should ensure that highly priority is given to the allocation of the water resources for the basic needs of the people and of the economy for agriculture and industrial uses.